Hi, welcome to This Old Geek. Now I'm cutting this toe off because I'm going to make a cap to glue the hair onto that's going to go on the head. And I'm marking it so I know where to place the cap when it's all dried. I'm sanding it so it sticks to the head. Now I just placed the cap on there. Now I'm going to glue strands of hair that I cut evenly on one end all the way around the cap. I apologize for this being on an angle. I bumped the camera. Didn't realize it until I was done with the video. Now after that all dries, I am going to glue the cap onto the head with the craft glue. I'm using a craft glue that I got at a dollar store. Now I'm giving her a haircut. The glue dries nice and clear, and it works great. There's many different brands out there. I'm measuring the circumference of the head for the hat, and this is just cardboard from a cereal box. I'm just forming it into a cone. I'm going to tape it here. I'm cutting it all the way around to get it as even as I possibly can. Since I don't have a compass, I'm using this dinner plate to measure the brim of the hat. And I used a cone to get the center. I just eyed the center here. I use my X-Acto knife to cut the hole out in the brim, in the center of the brim. The material I'm using is just from an old t-shirt. It's a little worn and faded, which is okay. It's pretty much what I wanted for a Wicked Witch hat. Now the pencil that I'm using, that's a color pencil, an oil-based color pencil that worked just fine on the fabric. I'm doing a little overhang, a little extra there. I doubled up the material in order to keep it together. I just keep it flat and just carefully cut all the way around. And now I am cutting the center out. I'm going to measure and cut the center out of the other half as well. I unrolled the cone so I can use it as a pattern on the material here. It's going to be the material for the cone, of course, the top of the hat. And you see I put a little extra down there, and you will see why. And I glue the cone together, tape it. When the tape dries, I take it off, cover the cone completely with craft glue, and then I roll it onto the material, making sure I leave that overhang all the way around. And then I put the cone right through the center of the brim, and now you can see what kind of cereal I like to eat in the morning. Now I'm sure there are better ways that I could probably have done this, but this is pretty new to me, so I just make this up as I go along. Now I could have glued some material inside the cone there, but I decided not to do that. And that's how I did the hat and the hair for my witch head, for my puppet. I will have more in another video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.